Make a great choice today with the 2024 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.